Conclusion number 2. Using mandibular movement recordings to create a crown is more meaningful than using an articulator. Second, let's look at the value of the mandibular movement record. The occlusal plane of the antagonist, reflecting mandibular movement, would look like this. Place the scanner tip where the upper and lower jaw meet while the patient maintains contact between the jaws. When the scanner starts recording, a live view window appears on the screen. Then instruct the patient to move the mandible according to the direction of movement you selected. Make sure that both the lower and upper teeth appear in the live view. We are using the articulator with the expectation that it will reduce the amount of occlusal adjustment. Let's see if it actually helps. The crown is machined in the usual way and mounted on the virtual articulator. The result is an occlusal adjustment to match the movement of the articulator. Most of the time, when we fabricate a crown like this, we see a significant amount of interference with the forward movement of the mandible, especially for anterior teeth. So, let's go ahead and bring in a bite that reflects the mandibular movement and adjust the occlusion. We're going to see a significant amount of adjustment. If we were to measure it, we'd get a value over 600 micrometers. With this amount of intraoral occlusal adjustment, the length of the crown that you see may be shortened. You may have to take it out a little bit buccally to get the crown length. As a result, if the crown is made with only articulator adjustments, it may need to be ground down a lot or remade. Conclusion number 2. Using mandibular movement recordings to create a crown is more meaningful than using an articulator.